Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows cannot connect to printer error. Type regedit in Windows search bar in printer installed host computer. Click and expand H key local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand control. Click print. Right click new, D-word 32-bit value. Type RPC auth level privacy enabled, R, A, L, P, and E are capital letters. Change value data to 0, click OK and exit Registry editor. Type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Print Spooler service. Change startup type to automatic, click start the service, click apply, click OK. Restart the service. Right-click Start button, click Run. // shared printer IP address. Click Install driver. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.